In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email notifications in the Spark app. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by email alerts or worried about missing something important, this quick walkthrough will help you dial in exactly how Spark notifies you. We'll move through the app together, and by the end, you'll have notifications set exactly the way you want them for the account that matters most. First, open the Spark app on your device. Give it a moment to load your inbox so everything is up to date. You don't need to change anything on this screen yet. Just make sure you're on your main inbox view. Next, look to the top left corner for the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap it to open Spark's side panel, which gives you access to folders, accounts, and all of the app's settings. At the bottom left of that panel, tap Settings. This is where Spark keeps all your customization options. Once you're in, scroll until you reach the General section, then tap Notifications. This is the control center for how and when Spark alerts you. Inside Notifications, find the email account you want to manage. If you have multiple accounts connected, you'll see each one listed separately, so make sure you're selecting the correct account before making changes. This lets you fine-tune alerts for different inboxes. For example, keeping work messages prominent while quieting a personal inbox, or vice versa. Now choose the notification style that fits your needs. All emails will send you an alert for every new message that arrives, which is useful if you can't afford to miss anything. Smart notifications help reduce noise by alerting you only about messages that are likely to be important, rather than every automated update or low-priority email. Priority focuses even more tightly on what Spark considers high-importance emails, based on context and your interaction patterns, so you only get pinged for the top-tier messages. And if you'd rather keep things completely quiet, select None to turn off notifications for that account entirely. Once you've made your choice, you're all set. Spark saves these preferences automatically. If you manage more than one inbox, repeat the same selection for each account you want to adjust. You can come back here anytime to fine-tune your settings as your needs change. That's it. You've just customized your Spark notifications, keeping what matters front and center and leaving the rest for when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer, more focused inbox experience.